my experience on the flight tonight, can I help you fly?
Well, we'll see how we get on. We'll see how smooth the air is when we get up.
Yeah.
Up until that point, while we're taking off, make sure you keep your feet off the pedals and your hands off the controls. And when we're doing, if you feel the stick coming against you like that, just let it go. Okay, don't try and resist against it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Liz. How are you? Yeah, I was on a flight simulator last night.
Yeah, go on then. No, it's alright. Okay.
We're going to wait for that other aeroplane to go.
So basically, we are holding.
We're holding, yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Graham.
Now then, I'm just going to turn around and face him so he knows that we're ready when he is. Okay, I think he's moving off. Alright, now keep your feet off the rudders.
To the left, crossing 22, then to the tower. Copy, there, okay. Golf Alpha Alpha, runway 34, take off your discretion, wind 35, 2 degrees 7 knots. Taking off to the west, for Golf Alpha. Lining up, and in fact, Whiskey Alpha, take off your discretion, wind 35, 2 degrees 6 knots.
Golf Whiskey Alpha taking off. Okay, you ready?
Ready?
Good.
Cue the flight. Circuit then.
Yeah.
So that's my flight. And now I'm better. Landing's not as bad, is it?
No.
Golf Oscar Echo, ready for departure. Golf Oscar Echo, report lining up, runway is occupied.
Sorry about that, Graham.
That's alright, don't worry.
Roger. Golf Oscar Echo, runway 34, take off your discretion, wind 35, 2 degrees 6 knots. Taking off, Golf Oscar Echo.
Obviously being on a flight simulator.
Golf Whiskey Alpha, if you stay on the hard please and take Q2.
Wilco, Golf Whiskey Alpha. Yeah, well, you've never been in a little aeroplane like this before, so it's understandable.
Yeah.
It's very different to flight simulator. It's a nice helicopter, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I've taken a lot of photos and a lot of videos for my video that I'm doing tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go home and I'll edit it out on my iMac.
Right, jolly good.
Yeah.
Golf Heavy Racing, Golf Whiskey Alpha, Romeo Bravo.